The Meghalaya State Skills Development Society on Wednesday had inaugurated the one-day Mssds Haat Bazaar at the premises of the State Central Library here in Shillong, where Chief Secretary Government of Meghalaya R.V. SUCHIANG graced the occasion as chief guest. Others present included the Administrative Officer Mssds, MARSARSUK TARIANG, state government officials besides others. Speaking at the inaugural function, R.V. SUCHIANG quoted Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement that skill development is an ongoing national need and is a foundation for the Atma-Nirbhar India or the self-reliant India. SUCHIANG lauded the efforts of the Mssds for organizing the Haat Bazaar, which acts as a platform for entrepreneurs to showcase their products, their crafts and produce. She added that she is hopeful that this Haat will inspire others to come forward and involve themselves in this kind of initiative and program of the government in order to improve the employability of the youths of Meghalaya.
Positive step which has been done by Mssds in organizing this Haat Bazaar. I'm so happy. I have great pleasure in being here. And I don't know if you know the mandate of Mssds, Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. It is here to handhold potential entrepreneurs, and they give skill training. So besides skill training, they also develop a cohesive skill formation, entrepreneurship and placement framework for entrepreneurs who are here. It's a one-stop access to facilities like capacity building and training, skill development and entrepreneurship development. And we already have an ecosystem which is called the Prime Hub. So after you get your skill from Mssds, then you can go, all potential entrepreneurs can go to the Prime Hub, and that's where you get a hand-holding support. They link you to banks, they link you to financial institutions, they give you tech support. So basically they also have business plans which can be developed, which can be prepared for you. So so a step from here, from skill, you go to a Prime Hub where probably you will be given further assistance.
Also speaking to reporters was Administrative Officer of the Mssds, MARSARSUK TARIANG, who informed that the Haat Bazaar is an opportunity for entrepreneurs of the state to exhibit their crafts and produce to the public. She also informed that a similar one-day event would be held in other districts of the state in the months to follow.
This Haat Bazaar has been organized under the Sankalp, the Skill Acquisition and Knowledge Awareness for Promotion of Livelihoods. It is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. We have organized this Haat in order to promote our local entrepreneurs. There are 40 stalls, as you can see. We have also converged with various departments like the MSRLS, the horticulture, the agriculture, and then we also have departments like the MHHDC, MBDA, and there are various products that you can see, from handicrafts to wine making to the various condiments that is available from the city, soap, and detergents. And then we also have a lot of food available locally. So we hope that people from Shillong are enjoying this Haat, and we are hopeful that we will organize many more Haats in the future so that we are able to showcase the workmanship and the produce from the state. This Haat Bazaar is organized only for today, one day, yes, but similar Haat Bazaars will be organized also in the Garo region and the Jantia region as well very soon, perhaps next coming months.